Hello everyone. Today, we are listening to two coworkers talk about their daily routines. Pay close attention to how they use phrases like hit the snooze button and grab a coffee to describe their mornings.
Hey Mark. Are you making another pot of coffee already?
Yeah. It is my second one this afternoon. I think I need it to survive the meeting at 4 o'clock.
I know what you mean. I have been sitting at my desk for 2 hours, but I am not really working.
Wait, seriously? You always look so busy over there with all your notebooks.
It is just a mask. Honestly, my brain is still back at home in my bed. I had a really hard time waking up today.
Did you stay up late watching those animal videos again?
Maybe, but also, I hit the snooze button about 5 times. I finally got out of bed around 7:15.
No way. 7:15 is actually quite early for some people, you know?
Not for me. I usually like to be at my desk by 8 o'clock, but today I was running so late.
Right. So, did you skip breakfast then?
I did, but I stopped to grab a coffee and a chicken banh mi from that place near District 1.
Oh, I know that shop. Their food is really cheap. It is only like $2 for a huge sandwich.
Exactly. It was delicious, but it did not help me wake up. I feel like I am moving in slow motion today.
I am the opposite. I wake up at 6 o'clock every single morning without an alarm.
Wait, really? No alarm at all? That sounds like a nightmare to me.
It is not so bad. I like the quiet. I usually drink a glass of water and read for 20 minutes.
20 minutes of reading, wow. I barely have time to find my shoes before I run out the door.
Maybe you should try to sleep earlier. What time do you usually go to bed?
Well, I try to sleep at 11 o'clock, but then I start thinking about work or, oh, look, the coffee is ready.
Good timing. Do you want a cup?
Yes, please. I think a third cup of coffee will finally help me get things done.
I don't know, I'm not so sure about that. Too much caffeine makes me feel a bit shaky.
Really? I actually think it makes me more creative. Or maybe just faster at typing.
True. But what if you tried a different routine? Like, instead of coffee, you could try a short walk?
A walk? In this heat? I think I would just melt on the sidewalk.
That's wild. It's not that hot today, is it?
It feels like a sauna out there to me. Anyway, what do you do after work to relax?
I usually go to the gym for an hour. It helps me forget about all the emails and reports.
And then?
Then I go home, cook a simple dinner, and watch a movie. I'm usually asleep by 10:30.
Wow.
What? Is that boring?
No, not boring. Just very organized. Personally, I'd rather go out with friends or see a movie at the cinema.
I see what you mean, but doing that every night sounds exhausting.
It is a little bit. Last Tuesday, I didn't get home until midnight. I was so tired the next morning.
I bet. That is why you are struggling today, Sarah.
You are probably right. I need to be more like you. More calm.
Well, you could start tonight. Just go home and sleep early.
I want to, actually. I promised my sister I would help her move some boxes tonight.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of work. Moving is the worst.
Totally. She has so much stuff. Books, clothes, old shoes, it's going to take hours.
Wait, seriously? Is she moving far?
No, just a few streets away. But she lives on the 4th floor and there is no elevator.
That sounds painful. You definitely won't be in bed by 11 o'clock.
Ugh, I'm so wiped today. I don't even know how I'm going to lift a single box.
Maybe you should drink that coffee after all. You're going to need the energy.
Exactly. See? I told you coffee was the answer. It solves all my problems.
For today, maybe. But don't make it a habit, right?
I'll try. Hey, what if Oh, wait, I think I hear the boss coming back.
Oh, you're right. I should probably get back to my desk too.
Me too. I'm going to try to finish that report in the next hour. No distractions.
Good luck with that. I'll see you at the meeting at 4 o'clock.
See you then, Mark. Thanks for the coffee and the chat.
Anytime, Sarah. Have a good afternoon.
Hit the snooze button.
This is a very common phrase to describe what we do when we don't want to wake up. It refers to the snooze feature on phones and clocks. For example, I was so tired this morning that I hit the snooze button 3 times.
Grab a coffee.
In casual English, grab often means to get or buy something quickly. We use it for food, drinks, or even a quick seat. For example, do you want to grab a coffee before the movie starts?
I feel like.
On English and Chill we hear this all the time because it is a softer, more natural way to give an opinion than saying in my opinion. For example, I feel like it's going to rain later today, so you should bring an umbrella.
Get things done.
This phrase is used to talk about being productive and finishing your work or chores. For example, I have a lot of energy today, so I want to get things done early.
Run late.
Instead of just saying I am late, we say I am running late to describe the process of being behind schedule. For example, sorry I'm late. I was running late because the traffic was terrible. Great job today. You learned some very natural ways to talk about your daily life. Try using grab a coffee the next time you talk to a friend. Subscribe and tell us your favorite part of your daily routine in the comments.